Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your date of birth on Etsy. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing to know is that there isn't any direct way to change your date of birth on Etsy. And that means you will be needing to contact support so you can be able to change the date of birth. So simply you will need just to go to the shop manager, and after that you will be able to go to settings. So from the settings, excuse me, you should go to the help, and from the help menu you will need just to go to the contact us. So from here you will find two choices. You will find like selling on Etsy or buying on Etsy, and from here you will find like these accounts and access, etc. But what we are interested in selling. And basically, you probably want to change your birth of date since it doesn't probably match your ID. And you can, for example, go to my account is suspended, and from here you can file an appeal so you can have your account to not be suspended and to correct your date of birth on Etsy so it can match your ID. So simply you can here go technical support or help with the spirit issue, or you can simply, and by clicking on that you will be able to go and go to the help center, or to simply and basically when you get an issue, as you can see, it looks like your account doesn't have an issue that is eligible for appeal. So whenever you're facing some problems or some suspension or any kind of issues, you will find the file appeal feature, and then you can file an appeal and contact the support. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.